Welcome back to Auto Review, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Isuzu MU-X, a rugged yet refined SUV that has made significant waves in the midsize SUV segment. Isuzu has built a reputation for durability and performance, and the MU-X continues that legacy with a fresh design, updated tech, and an engine lineup that's ready for both urban and off-road adventures. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Isuzu MU-X a serious contender in its class. Starting with the exterior, the MU-X carries a bold and commanding presence. The front fascia features a restyled grille that blends seamlessly with the sharp LED headlights. The grille itself now sports a more angular, aggressive look with chrome accents that add a premium touch. The LED daytime running lights are sleeker than ever, giving the vehicle a modern and assertive personality on the road. The body lines have been subtly revised for 2025, enhancing the SUV's aerodynamic profile while still retaining its muscular proportions. Around the back, the tail lamps are now slimmer and more sculpted, equipped with sequential indicators that elevate the MU-X's rear-end styling. It sits on newly designed 20-inch alloy wheels for higher variants, while the base models still get durable 17 or 18-inch wheels. The ground clearance remains generous, making it capable of tackling uneven terrain without breaking a sweat. Roof rails, side steps, and skid plates further enhance the SUV's functionality and rugged appeal. Step inside, and the MU-X greets you with an interior that balances functionality and sophistication. The dashboard layout has been refined, featuring soft-touch materials and silver accents that bring a premium feel to the cabin. The 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, delivering a responsive and user-friendly experience. For audiophiles, the higher trims offer a premium 8-speaker sound system that delivers clear and immersive audio. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and easy to read, offering key driving data with customizable views. There's wireless charging, USB ports in all 3 rows, and dual-zone automatic climate control to keep everyone comfortable on long journeys. The seats are where the MU-X really impresses. The front seats are well bolstered and offer power adjustments with lumbar support, especially on the top-tier variants. The second-row seats slide and recline, providing flexibility whether you're prioritizing passenger legroom or cargo space. The third-row seats are surprisingly spacious for this segment, making the MU-X a true 7-seater that doesn't compromise on comfort. Storage options are plenty, including large door bins, cup holders for all rows, and a cavernous boot that expands significantly with the third row folded flat. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Isuzu MU-X remains true to its roots. Under the hood, it offers 2 engine options depending on the market: a 1.9-liter turbo diesel and a more powerful 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine. The 3.0-liter unit produces around 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. While it may not be the quickest SUV in its class, the torque delivery is strong and consistent, especially at lower RPMs, ideal for off-road conditions and towing. Speaking of towing, the MU-X boasts a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms, making it a great choice for those who need a workhorse that can double as a family vehicle. The ride quality is smooth on highways and competent off the beaten path. Thanks to its ladder frame chassis and improved suspension tuning, it absorbs bumps well without feeling overly floaty. The 4x4 variants come equipped with a terrain command dial, rear differential lock, and hill descent control, offering confidence in challenging terrains. Fuel economy remains one of the MU-X's strong points, with the 1.9-liter engine delivering impressive efficiency figures for an SUV of this size. In terms of safety, Isuzu has packed the MU-X with advanced driver assistance features. Standard across most trims are autonomous emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. A 360-degree camera system is available on higher trims, which is incredibly useful for parking and off-roading. The build quality and use of high-tensile steel ensure a sturdy frame that performs well in crash tests, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Isuzu MU-X starts at approximately $42,000 for the base LSM4X2 model, and goes up to around $61,000 for the top-spec LST4X4 variant, depending on your market and optional packages. Considering its rugged build, family-friendly features, and modern tech, the MU-X offers solid value for money. Isuzu also offers a 6-year or 150,000 kilometers warranty, which further boosts its appeal for long-term ownership. To wrap it up, the 2025 Isuzu MU-X is not trying to be the flashiest SUV out there. Instead, it focuses on delivering what matters most: reliability, space, safety, and real-world performance. Whether you're navigating city streets, heading out on a family road trip, or exploring off-road trails, the MU-X proves to be a versatile and trustworthy companion. If you're in the market for a practical yet capable 7-seater SUV, the MU-X deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching Auto Review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Drop your thoughts on the MU-X in the comments below and let us know what car you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.